The remains of up to 196 people from the MH17 crash in Ukraine have been loaded onto refrigerated rail wagons, to be taken to an unknown destination. All 298 people on Malaysia Airlines flight MH17 died when a missile reportedly hit it on Thursday. Western countries have criticized pro-Russian rebels controlling the area for restricting access to the crash site. The rebels say they will hand MH17's flight recorders to the International Civil Aviation Organization. Ukraine's government and the rebels have accused each other of shooting down the Boeing 777, which was flying from Amsterdam to Kuala Lumpur. The U.S. State Department said there had been multiple reports of bodies and aircraft parts being removed, and potential evidence tampered with. Fighting is reportedly continuing in eastern Ukraine between the separatist rebels and government forces in a conflict which erupted in April and is believed to have claimed more than 1,000 lives.